Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change Gmail phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. First of all, you open up Gmail app and right here you go to profile icon. Tap on manage your Google account. Scroll down. You can see that personal info. Tap on this. Scroll down. You can see that already phone number. Tap on this. And tap on verify your phone number. You can see that your there are two options available on this edit option, and another is delete. Tap on edit option. Use your fingerprint and again tap on this edit option. You can see that update your phone number. Tap on this and you can select your new phone number and tap on select button. Your Gmail phone number change is successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.